How to become a FedEx contractor. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure that you are eligible for that. So as you can see, you must be at least 21 years of age, have a valid driver license and a clean driving record, possess a qualifying vehicle such as a cargo van, box truck or sprinter van, and must pass a background check and drug screening. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply contact FedEx. So you're gonna have to simply go to their official website and scroll down and then click on contact us. And then here, as you can see, you're gonna have to choose your region. So you can go North America, Europe, and then you're gonna have to simply call them and then simply tell them about applying as a contractor. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.